Okay. Do you want to sing ritual ablution? Okay. Okay. Hello, guys. Say hi.
Hello guys. This day I want to sing a song.
Mhm.
This song, the name is Ablution.
Okay, ritual ablution. Mom create this song for children, Islamic children. Okay, Islam Muslim ya, anak-anak Islam. Okay, please sing a song.
Wash your mouth, wash your mouth. Listen to your teacher. Wash your mouth, wash your mouth. Wash your nose, wash your nose. Listen to your teacher. Wash your nose, wash your nose. Wash your face, wash your face. Listen to your teacher. Wash your face, wash your face. Wash your hands, wash your hands. Listen to your teacher. Wash your hands, wash your hands. Wash your hair, wash your hair. Listen to your teacher. Wash your hair, wash your hair. Wash your ears, wash your ears. Listen to your teacher. Wash your ear, wash your ear. Wash your legs, wash your legs. Listen to your teacher. Wash your legs.
Okay, good job.